Do you want to start coding in Python but not sure how to install it? In this video, I will show you exactly how to install Python step by step. Welcome back to Python and Pandas tutorial series. My name is Raja Ramesh and today we will set up Python on our Windows system so that we can start coding right away. So in this video, we will walk through the installation of Python step by step. You will learn how to download and install Python correctly, how to set up the environment variables, especially for Windows users, and how to verify the Python installation, whether Python is installed correctly or not. You can download the Python from www.python.org and from the downloads page. Copy the link and open any of your web browser and go to the web page python.org downloads. Once you open this website will auto detect your operating system. Hence, because I am using Windows operating system, I got download the latest version for Windows and it will change based on the OS you are using. Using the download Python 3.13.2, this is the latest version right now, so I am seeing this link. If at all you are seeing this video in later days, this version might be different, but you can download the latest version of Python from this page and using this button. And if you are using Linux or Mac, any other operating systems, that will be changed based on the operating system you are on. To start the download, click on the download button and select your download path, which is my desktop right now, and click on save button. This will start download, and once the download is complete, you can check the downloaded file. So I got Python 3.13.3 on my machine's desktop. To start the installation, just click on the downloaded file. This will start the installer and you will see the install now option as well as customize installation. If you are using Windows operating system, just make sure to click this add python.exe to path option so that it will be adding the path automatically, and just click on install now option. It will install Python on your machine. Just wait till the installation is completed. Once the installation is complete, the installer says setup was successful. Close this and we will be checking if the Python is installed correctly or not on my Windows machine. For that, open your command prompt and write a command python space hyphen hyphen version. If Python is installed correctly and the path is set correctly, then you should be able to see this kind of message. So the installed version of Python. So we installed 3.13.2 and that version is being displayed, which means my installation of Python on my Windows machine is success. And we can close this. But if you are not seeing that version or seeing some error, that means there might be some issue with your installation or setting up your environment variable, which is the path variable we checked while installation. So if you know the installation is success but you have doubt like the path is set right or not, then you can set that manually also. To set up that path, you need to edit and add the new environment variable. For that, go to your start menu and open the environment variables. So once we search for environment like that, we will be seeing this edit the system environment variables. Click on that. Will open the system properties window, and here you have the environment variables button. Click on that, and in the system variables you have something called path. If you click on edit button, you should be seeing the path for Python installation either in the system variables or in the user variables. We don't have the path for Python in my system variables, but I have path in user variables and I have three users Raja or app data local programs Python 313. Got it? So my path is set in my user variables. So I was seeing the version correctly. You are seeing that version properly when you run that command python version. Go ahead and check your environment variables, and if you don't find the Python related path, just add your Python installation path over here to the path variable, either in system variables or user variables, and click on OK and OK and OK to save the changes. And if you check the version again by opening your command prompt, you should be able to see the version. And if you are still not seeing that, just try restarting your machine and running the command again. Now that Python is installed and we need a good environment to write and run our code. So in our next video, I will show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.